It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
And what better way to celebrate the festive season than with a few Welsh words and phrases?
Let's start with the big man himself.
Sion Corn. That's Father Christmas.
Santa! I know him!
He's big, he's jolly, and if you're lucky, he might give you an orange. It's Sion Corn.
Nadolig Llawen!
It's Christmas morning, the day is finally here.
Once everyone's up and the Bucks fizz is flowing, wish them all a Merry Christmas.
Nadolig Llawen! Coeden Nadolig. Sion Corn has paid a visit.
And hopefully he's left you an orange under the Coeden Nadolig. Addurniadau. The tinsel and baubles aren't just for trees.
It literally doesn't get any more festive than this.
Blwyddyn Newydd Dda!
Christmas has been and gone, so grab somebody you love and wish them Happy New Year. Blwyddyn Newydd Dda.
Stay festive this Christmas season by remembering these Welsh phrases. 'Tis the season after all.
And look out for more of our 5 Welsh words videos.
Right, where's my mince pie?